Sanjay. He needs to sit in the middle, right? A little bit more.
You can record the tuning if you'd like.
Oh, yeah, no, thank you so much. ये तो हमारे न्यूज़पेपर की Rebecca Evans.
Okay.
Yeah. So Dr. Kingi.
Fantastic.
Yeah. We can just start her. Do you mind if she does a 10-minute interview?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Just 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes to just tune his instrument and be
minutes.
ready.
Take your time. Take your time. No worries at all.
Have you guys ever recorded on something like this before?
I feel like we have in the past, but I'm not 100% certain.
but-
But I definitely was interested in
Yeah, it's pretty man.
Even these are so actually don't perform it. If this goes on air,
Oh,
maybe
Nini.
that's otherwise,
So
I
he
can
says-
play. I can play, but this is not a free. This should be free. Program.
Yeah, this is a free program.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. He's
Because-
not allowed to perform as a like for professional
Yeah.
because he doesn't have the visa to
So that's
Oh,
what
give a
I just
performance
wanted
as a
to ask.
professional. So we are just accepting donations, and I said that's fine. He's not doing a proper concert with tickets at the door.
Exactly. Nice and organized.
So he's worried if you put it on the air, you're going to be in trouble for that. you never know these days, right?
Will, Sean, will you please increase this one, sitar?
The volume for the
there?
main instrument.
Because I can decrease my volume here. Okay, I can manage. Yes, sir. Can you make it little bass?
Bass, little bass.
Reduce the treble. Reduce the treble. Still more bass.
Have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, okay. ma'am.
Be in the center of the
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's exactly what
We'll just check this.
This one?
3 years.
He wants to check the laptop now. That's the accompaniment.
I can decrease my volume here. No problem.
You're on.
Yeah, I can do it.
Is that all ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
Is it like, no, I know, but is it like focused and everything?
Yeah, I'm just recording the tuning just to test it.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it sounding good from the back?
I think so. I will have somebody else to do it.
Shashank, you go.
I
Yeah.
don't know. It's one sound. It's kind of
Yeah.
Not sure exactly the back.
Lakshman, deliver. Just, is it loud enough? And if it's too loud, we'll turn it down.
So you are going to ask me questions? You are going to?
No, no.
Because I don't.
Well, how do you want to do it, Rebecca?
Because उसका accent मुझे समझ में आ गई.
हाँ हाँ मैं पूछती हूँ. How would you want to do it?
So I think it would be great dinner to have wherever people do most of the city.
Okay.
This little mic rack.
Okay.
And there's cookies. I'll do this call.
He says he's not sure if he understands what exactly you're asking. He speaks English, but it is just a little bit different. Yeah. This is my oldest son.
Fantastic.
Yes,
It's
very
so great to meet you. I have this for you. It's just a little microphone. You can just clip it on your collar. It's comfy for you. I can help you if you need.
Is it better if he does it if you're sitting down or standing up?
I think whatever's most comfortable for you.
You can
or
sit
you
over
can-
there, probably.
You can sit down next to.
However you want to do it.
Where do you want me to sit?
I'll have you sit down right over here.
At that position only?
Yes,
Will it be
will this
okay?
be comfortable for you? Do you sit?
Yeah,
sit
I'm
with
very
it? Yeah, that would
comfortable.
be great.
Yeah, I'm
He
very-
says for 6-7 hours, he said,
Yeah.
Rebecca.
Set it down next to you, put it in your pocket, whatever's comfy.
I can help you if you don't.
Yes.
And you
Yes,
do
and
too.
thank you so much.
Just tell why you came, or your
Okay.
classmate, and you, how you went into music, sitar, patriji, theater,
Okay.
everything.
So is it questionnaire type or I have to speak?
Yes, you will just answer a couple of my questions.
Yeah, exactly.
All I'm gonna ask is,
Uh,
just what does this kind of music mean to you? Why is it important to share your culture
Okay.
with others? And, yeah, why you're putting on this concert tonight? So we'll just perfect. I'll start you with a really tough one. If you could just give me your name and then spell it out for me and give me whatever title you would like to go with. Whenever you're ready.
Is your voice also getting recorded?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, please continue. Start.
Of course, just your name and then spell it out for me.
Yeah, I am Dr. Sanjay Kigi. Namaste. I am from India, Hyderabad, and I have just come to just propagate meditation music. Wherever I go, I practice sitar, and with my sitar, I propagate meditation. I request everybody to meditate because, you know, meditation increases your concentration and you'll have positive mind, positive frame of mind in your life.
Yes, that's fantastic. Can you speak a little bit more on the healing properties of kind of this instrument and the music, the meditativeness of everything?
Okay. In India, people do meditation with my sitar, and this is sitar. Okay, this is sitar. This is a sharp instrument, and along with this, a flutist artist also will be there with me in India because he is not there, so I am playing here. So, you know, we play a scale, like a major scale. To start with, we play with the major scale, elaborate the notes, slowly take them to the trance level. And once they are in trance, then if I play anything also, if they are really doing meditation, music is just a catalyst to get them to the trance position, that's all. And then if I play anything, Bollywood music, Hollywood music, they will not mind because they are in trance, that's all. So mostly we play devotional music at the time of meditation.
That's fantastic. That's great. Very well said. Very well said. My next question is going to be this kind of, why is it important to share this music with others?
With others, you know, you are talking especially for the meditation music. Okay, you know, you can sit in your house also and do meditate, but if you are sitting collectively, not many people are there. You know, when I am playing sitar, you know, when you meditate, you may think like, what is my husband is doing, what is my wife is doing, my son is doing. You will be always thinking of that. If I am playing sitar, people will listen to this calm music and I am just diverting their mind from their family life to the musical life, and just diverting them and just making them to sit with concentration. Just, think of your inspiration and expiration. That is inhaling and exhaling, right? Just concentrate on that, and just little. When we do in India, we tell everybody to close your eyes, close your fist, and then close your eyes, sit properly, and just don't think anything. Keep your mind empty, maximum, and if it is not empty also, forget it. Just sit it, because everybody will have some feelings on it. We with sitar and flute or any other Indian classical instruments, we just tell them to forget their all views and just concentration on this. And when they are doing meditation, we just make them to come to the trance position and then meditate. People get some experiences when we play, that somebody is dancing, God is dancing. Somebody else, everybody has their own experiences, and with the experiences, they are happy. If I am playing a major notes scale, that's a happy music. If I am taking minor notes, if I major, I think this is minor. This is a little sad music. Usually the age of the meditator matters. If the age is about 40 or 50, they like sad music for meditation also, because they have many experiences of their life. So they like. So we just combine major, minor ragas and feel them good.
Yes, that is very interesting. That's
Yeah.
very interesting. What made you come to St. Joseph, Missouri?
I am doing all free programs for meditation music everywhere, and because Dr. Parma is my classmate, she has made me to sit on this dais. So because of her, and that's how I'm here. So I'm happy. So wherever I go, I propagate music. Daily I practice. So though I am from India, I get the sitar, and every day I practice. Today also, this is my practice session. People will meditate, but this is my practice session.
You can see it was your 21st,
Yeah, this is my 21st.
Just in this last 2
program.
months.
In the last month. I came on July 22nd and leaving to India on October 2nd.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's really cool. A whole tour you're doing.
Yeah, usually the programs are on Saturday, Sundays, but somebody, if they wish, they call about 20, 30 people, and I make them meditate with my sitar.
That's fantastic. I'm super excited to hear you play. Is there anything else that you would like to add about your culture?
No, I just request everybody to meditate. There are not many types of meditation. Final goal is same. The roads are different. Some people meditate by keeping their eyes also open, and they enjoy the music and do meditation. But in our system, we just tell them to close the eyes. Your final pathway is to get in the trance position, right? And enjoy. Somebody feel about they have experiences of their past life, or somebody experiences about some God is coming, my tutor, or what is it? We say Guruji. What is it? Guruji.
Guru. Yeah,
Guru is my tutor. So they think that God is coming, somebody is coming and blessing me. So these are the experience they give us, and everybody shares their experience to somebody else to inspire them to come to the meditation again. If you do in the meditation at your house, you may do for about half an hour, and then somebody calls, your meditation is disturbed. But once you go to a meditation center, everybody is meditating here. If everybody is meditating, they get a mood, and they also sit with them, share their experiences. Everybody's, and finally is increase your concentration and the positive frame of mind for your future life.
Fantastic.
You
My
can
last,
21 concerts this year, this last 2 months. So he is, he's been with the spiritual movement for the last 25 years with the spiritual guru, and it's called
His name is Subhash Patriji.
yeah, he's
So,
very famous in India.
Yeah.
And
We
then-
meditate in a pyramid. So pyramid gives, we sit in a pyramid. Pyramid is also like same angle, 180 degrees angle, 45 degrees angle, sorry. And if you sit in the 45 degrees angle, you can meditate more. So if you sit in a normal your house, you can meditate, you can have some small effect. But if you are doing meditation in a pyramid, that will give you more energy. More
You
energy.
want to talk about breath work or compassion? Breath work about the spiritual movement.
Yeah.
Breath work, Kavi?
Yeah, when you are concentrating always on your, finally, when you meditate, slowly normally a person breathes about 10 to 15 times in a minute. Inhalation and exhalation. But when you go in trance, it becomes only 5 or 6 times, that's all. So that means your inspiration and expiration is decreased, your life is increased. Because for every person, suppose 1 lakh inspiration and 1 lakh expiration is required for your life. And if I am doing meditation, I am using very less number of inspiration and expiration. So I live more with healthy life. Healthy life. Yeah, so that is the main concept, to increase your life and healthy life. Always, suppose if you are meditating and your breath is okay, your circulation moves, your blood circulation is okay, person is okay, he is thinking positively. So no matter whatever problem he faces in his family affairs, he just faces it very, very confidently. So that's the best thing to do meditation. Minimum you have to do, my age is 68, so minimum according to my Guruji, he says you have to do, I have to do 68 minutes meditation minimum. So a person, if a boy is of 10 minutes, if he meditates over 10 minutes also, it's okay. So,
Better than nothing. Better than not meditating.
People are not necessarily that everybody has to come in this line. There are advantages in this line. If you come and meditate, you are increasing your own life, right? I'm just telling you to how to meditate. If you do it, that's for your cause, your benefit. I'm not losing anything.
Right.
If your life is increased, I'm also happy, right? Right. That's all. So we are trying to tell everybody to meditate. That's all. If anybody wants to take it, he has to take it. He or she has to take it. Otherwise, that's his destination. Right.
Can you talk about kind of how meditation has helped you personally?
I told you, earlier I was not doing meditation because I am a professional artist, so I was just playing sitar. But then Guruji said, lot many people are asking me whether Dr. Sanjay is meditating or not. So you please meditate. And I told him that I am a professional artist. Every day I have to play in the evening, so I have to practice in the morning. So I cannot meditate and waste my time. I told him. Then he said, do a favor to me, just meditate 1 hour. Usually I practice morning 5 to 8 my sitar practice because being a professional artist. But then he told me to 5 to 6 you just do meditation, and then 6 to 8 you practice it. What I experience is, sitar, every instrument is hard. If I am practicing one song or something, if I am practicing for about 3 days, and if I meditate and practice, I am doing it in 1 day. So my concentration, that's only concentration. If I am playing with concentration, I can get that work fast. So meditation help in the concentration. And definitely everybody, my Guruji says, forget everything. Forget everything. What do you say? सबको माफ करो, क्या बोलते हैं?
Just forget all the past grievances.
Yeah. And if anybody
Forgive everything and everyone.
if anybody does any bad thing also, forget it. If he is doing some bad to me also, forget him. You just say, okay, okay. He will do whatever karmas he has, whatever bad things he is doing, he will suffer. You have to just leave the fellow. Just tell him, okay, thank you. Okay, that's all. That's all. So that means teach positively. Positively. If they are listening, it's okay.
You spoke about the power of the pyramid. Is there any other shapes, particularly in buildings, that talk about the architecture, having like a vibrational?
A lot many people do exercises. That also helps body. You would say, is this the only way? No, there are not many ways. But this is the very easiest way to do meditation. You are not doing any harm to your exercise. Also increases your blood circulation. Okay, that's okay. But everything is too much is too bad, right? So and this is very easy and very easy. Wherever you want to sit, you can sleep also and do meditation. Not necessarily you have to sit. Sleep calmly, coolly, any relaxed position. But when you
remember Shashank?
once you get accustomed to it, playing instrument is also not different. There are lot many people without knowing also they will meditate. That means they are in high level. They are high level. To start with new persons, they disturb their concentration is disturbing. For the purpose just to make their concentration come to that one level, they are playing. But if the senior master is there, without music also they can concentrate.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you so much for your time. That's all the questions I have.
Thank you.
Again, it was great to meet you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome to stay and listen.
Enjoy this. Yes, I would love to stay and see all the hours you put into your practice.
He says he can play 6-7 hours nonstop.
That is great. Do your fingers not start to hurt?
Yeah, because
And he can
the
sit
cell
like
gets-
that for 6
the cell
hours.
gets die actually. Cell die if you press it. When you start playing, when anybody starts playing first, then it gets pain. But now that because the cells are dying, so I can play.
What is that?
Yes. This is called as Raf. And this only we can play.
Because they're very sharp instruments, otherwise they cut through your fingers. So, yeah. So he has to pluck the instrument and the strings.
I can't plug this with my finger. Finger may cut. So everybody
You can
do.
play a little tune for the interview. You can just play for her so that you can play.
You want me to play either pushing happy music or sad music? What do you want?
What's your favorite?
My favorite side.
That's fair.
I hear.
folks so much. So Rebecca, when is Dr. Sunday going to be famous on TV?
Oh, it's gonna be famous on TV. It'll play tonight at 9 o'clock, and then we'll play at 10 p.m. as well. And then if you miss it, it'll be attached to the article. So I'll give you my talk. I have trouble finding it. It's on Facebook or on my website.
Of course. I'm sure you'll like it to share.
Yeah, of course. I'm excited. Yeah, put it all together.
You share to Dr. Padmaji, and Padma will share me.
Yeah.
Because you don't have my number.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me grab that for you.